A super duper mega fantastic cane game for curing boredom.
Sounds like there's some funky tunes coming from within.
Whoa. Seems like you found my super duper fantastic cane game for curing boredom. That means each and every one of you get a free ticket to play. That's a weird way of saying you want to play. Couldn't help but get the vibe, you guys may not be feeling so fine.
I hate my life.
That's not a big surprise. I got just the cure in mind, if you can let me give this a try. To free that big old smile. If you love adventure, you're in luck. Go through with no clue. You'll be surprised when you realize it gets so much better than real life.
Back with my mind.
So glad you're having fun, but our wacko party's only begun. It'll leave you saying things like, why is this happening, and what am I doing here, and how am I gonna top this now? If you love adventure, you're in luck. Go through with no clue. You'll be surprised when you realize it gets so much better than real life. It's impolite to be deceiving. Why break the rules or bother leaving? I know what you need, but you may not agree. But I'll show you the world, and without me you will see how awful it could be. How awful it could be. Ravenous violence and torture and agony. You're better off with me, living in a happy family. We all learned a valuable lesson today. I know you don't actually hate my adventures. You love me, and I love you too.